what's going on guys, Tanmay here for Simple Snippets, and this is not a tutorial video, this is sort of like an impromptu video which I did not plan on making, but then this is because of the recent poll on web development playlist series which I put on our community tab on our YouTube channel. By the way, on our YouTube channel we have a community tab. I'll just put it somewhere over here if you don't know, if you are new on this channel. So on the community tab, I asked you guys a question regarding web development series wherein I said that would you be interested in a simple website which we will build from scratch, basically a portfolio website, but it will definitely be decent enough so that you can make it live. So not your regular demo project, something which you show in your college. This would be professional and decent enough. And to my surprise guys, almost 393 people responded to that poll, and I was like, damn, what is going on? So this was really shocking for me because I was expecting around like 50 people would respond and maybe 20 to 30 people would be interested in that series. But out of 393, 361 people, which is 92% of you guys, are definitely interested. And in fact, I got like 20 plus comments on that poll also. You can probably see it somewhere. I'll put it somewhere on the card, I don't know, or somewhere on the screen. But yes, I'm really happy and surprised and excited about this entire web development series. So I decided to come on camera so that I can tell you guys that I'm definitely going to be making this series. It's just not going to be in November. I still have some work going on. I have a collaboration series going on with Telesco Learnings on JavaScript. And I have some unfinished work. So I'll wrap that up in November and probably start that series in December. So that's what I wanted to let you know guys, because it's been like around 6 days. I put that poll and you must be wondering, I still haven't yet responded about whether I'm going to make that series or not. But obviously I'm going to make it because obviously 361 of you guys want that series. And I was expecting that even if 10 people respond yes, I would surely make it. But this is amazing. I'm really happy. Didn't expect this kind of response. And yeah, I just wanted to make this announcement. And talking about this entire web development playlist series, this is going to be a very beginner level series, but there are some prerequisites. I'll talk in detail when we actually start off. But you need to have a little bit of idea about HTML and CSS and JavaScript, very basics of it, because everything else we're going to be doing it from the scratch. So we'll build the entire website from the scratch. And as I mentioned, I will also show you how to make that website live on a live server. So I already have a server. I'll tell you how to host your website and make it live. So entire web development process we'll cover in this series. But as I mentioned, a little bit of HTML knowledge, CSS knowledge, JavaScript knowledge is required. If you want, you can check out the current JavaScript series that I'm doing in collaboration with Telesco Learnings. I'll drop the link in the video description. And HTML and CSS probably will take you about 1 week's time. You can just Google it out. There is a lot of content online. You don't really have to do or join any classes for that. And yeah, that's it for this video guys. I just wanted to come on camera to let you know that I'm definitely going to be making this video series on complete website development from scratch, wherein we build this portfolio website. And I'm going to be doing it in December as I mentioned. So yeah, if you're a subscriber on this channel, I would request you guys that along with being subscribed, why don't you turn on the notifications so that you get notified whenever I upload this web series, so you'll definitely not miss out on this. And if you have any friends who are wanting to get into web development and who have just started as beginners, who have basic knowledge of HTML and CSS, they should definitely watch this series because this will give them a complete idea about the entire web development process, right from scratch, right from building the website to making it live. So this will be really helpful for them also. And yeah, that's it for this video guys. Just wanted to make this announcement. Super excited for this web development series, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.